Hi, Alec.
Hi, I'm just doing this because like a lighting.
At least greet muna.
Hi guys!
Ay, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas
Kamusta
Eve.
ang Pasko nyo? No, it's not Christmas Eve yet. Maaraw pa, 24
Yeah, but
pa lang.
it's also not
Mamaya Christmas Eve.
Mommy, but it's also not Christmas.
Kaya nga, Christmas Eve is later.
Yeah, but it's also
Gabi
not
na
Christmas.
24.
So, okay, guys. Merry Christmas,
Oo.
Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas, Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve, anak, 24 night. Ay, nako.
Okay,
Anyway.
doesn't matter. Anyways, guys, hi.
Hi. So, this is the second time, actually, we're spending the Christmas here at home. Last year, we was in the Netherlands, but different part of Netherlands. So, this year, dito lang kami sa bahay mag-spend. Yun nga, nagawa ako ng
Last year,
cheesecake.
I got this from Christmas
Wala
because I
akong
really
seatbelt.
wanted it when I was in the cave and Mommy bought it for me. So cute, right, guys? Wait.
Ay ko.
Okay.
So,
See, it's cute, right?
So, yun na nga. So, nagawa lang ako ng cheesecake. Lotus cheesecake, which is masarap naman. First time kong nag-try. Success. Good job, Mommy. And, yeah, na-miss kasi namin ang Cheesecake Factory din. Tapos, nagawa ako leche plan. Tapos, magluluto ako bukas ng lechon kawale or lechon belly. Tapos, barbecue. Ano pa? And then, now, maglilibot lang kami sa isang part ng Netherlands. Which area? What's the name of the city, Han? Zwolle. So, maglilibot kami doon. Maraming Christmas market dito, kahit sa Germany, which is
Guys,
malapit
it's
sa
not
amin.
even 1 hour, bro. Everyone lied to me.
Maraming Christmas market. Yun nga lang, medyo hindi maayos ng konti sa Europe. Kasi maraming Christmas market na medyo may gulo. So, maglilipot na lang kami sa isang part ng Netherlands today. Kasi tomorrow, it's 25th, everything is closed. So, we decide na maglibot today, kumain, and then bukas kami sa bahay maghahanda. Okay?
6,
6, 7.
7.
Puso 6, 7 na yan?
A few moments later.
Nandito na kami sa Zwolle po siya. Napakalamig. Buti na lang may araw. So, sa news, sabi nila, this is gonna be, I think, coldest Christmas in the Netherlands this year. Lamig. Hindi naman mahilig yung bata sa stage, kita niya. Hey, gloves yung isa, tinanggal ko kasi nga, hindi ako kapag-video. Ayun. Ha? Anyari?
Mommy, this
Plato?
plato.
Nabasa niya plato. Ay. So, nakakita kami ng simbahan. Ito, kasi gusto kong mapasok yung simbahan dito. And it's open. Yay! So, pwede kaming magtulos ng kandila sa simbahan. Bukas siya. Bookstore na pala. So, meron doon English. Tapos, mga books. So, bibili kami ng french fries kasi nagugutom na kami ni Daddy Albert. Alam niyo, ang Dutch, famous sa french fries. Si Alec, ayan, magbaan kami ng tinapay kasi nagugutom na siya. Kasi later, pero makakain kami sa unlimited. So now, for now, snacks, french fries, famous in Dutch,
Oh, they
pika-pika.
have
A few moments later.
yeah, I know.
Super large french fries. Dito, nilagyan nila ng mayo, and yun.
Give me that.
Okay, Alec, tisig mo. Alec, dito, dali, kain ka dito.
I hate mayonnaise, but I still eat it.
Koud hè?
Saka meron. Yan daw.
Ooh, look, mustard.
Gusto ko yung mayonnaise. Ayoko yung peanut butter. Peanut butter pa lang yung pinalagay ni Albert.
You know, I'm just gonna do the mayonnaise because I don't have any other
Not
sauce.
peanut butter. Satay sauce.
Yung
Yeah.
satay sauce. Parang peanut butter siya.
Yeah.
Oh. Bakit ba ganun?
Peanut butter is actually the nice part, but
Some countries they eat that with many dishes.
Here na kami, almost sa city. So ito, pangatlong simbahan. Kasi yung pangalawang simbahan din namin nakita is kinonvert siya as restaurant naman. So dito, may isang simbahan na malaki. Tapos nandito yung mga shop ang installed. Dito na kami sa loob. Simbahan siya before, pero ngayon, and is this still a church or
Yes.
no? It's still a church.
Yes.
Pero, merong restaurant. And I don't know, it's not like a typically Catholic church. But yeah, although meron sila dito upuan. So sabi ni Dad Albert, meron pa rin nagmamas dito. Pero, yun nga, yung mga pagtulos ng kandila. Yun yung ano ko eh. There's something there. I don't know what is it. Dito na ba kayo ng piano ng playing by itself? Alec, don't touch it ha. So ito yung piano. Nagpe-play by itself. Paano kaya yan, Nak, no? Wow, 1776 build.
He was the mayor of this one.
Oy, Albertus. Tanda na pala ng pangalan ni Daddy Albert.
My freaking cheeks.
Ano pa kala?
Guys, I can't feel my cheeks.
Ay, tumutuloy si Puna. Ibo ko, bahag. Grabe, napakalamig guys. Hindi na ako makapag-video kanina kasi naninigas na yung kamay ko sa lamig. Alam mo yung naka-gloves ka? Pero tumatagos yung labig sa kamay mo. So we're going to eat! Kakain na kami ng...
Yeah, finally.
Yun na yung Noche Buena namin. Kakain kami.
Guys, look what I
Unlimited.
buy. It's so cute, right? It's a gummy bear.
So yun na nga. How do you
Oh my
say
gosh,
the
I
music?
can't feel my freaking cheeks.
Anyway, grabe lamig. Oo, yung lamig dito sa Netherlands, guys. Tumutulis yung butt ko. So, imagine yung leather jacket mo mainit na, di ba? Nakaka-warm to. Plus yung ano namin, winter jacket na may hood. Then gloves. Tapos, long socks, long boots. Hindi ko na ako hours namin. Kaya sabi ko kay Albert.
Oh my gosh, mommy, my ears! My ears!
Kaya sabi ko kay Albert, let's go na. Punta na tayo sa restaurant kasi nga, ang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Hindi na namin. Plus,
Feel my cheeks.
all the shop today, 24, they close at 5. Ay, nakabili naman na yung bata ng gusto niya. So, we're going there. Light.
Bye, see you guys.
I like this one, Rosy Cheeks. Ayun, singa na si Albert. Oh.
Feel my cheeks!
Hey, don't shout.
You know, Daddy,
A few moments later.